I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got it.
Welcome back to my channel Z MotoGP. Here I will tell you about MotoGP and other races, which are actually trusted and up to date. If you want to receive information back from us, please subscribe, like, share and ring the bell. Thanks a lot.
Red Bull KTM rider Jack Miller says that the battle for the 2023 MotoGP world title is, like last year, on steroids, after a busy start to the season. With the addition of sprint races in 2023, after 5 series there have been 10 races completed, with 3 different riders winning the sprint and main races. Heading into the Italian MotoGP on June 11th at the Mugello circuit, Francesco Bagnaya's Ducati points lead over Marco Bezzecchi, Muni VR46, is just 1 point as the defending champion has suffered 3 non-finishes in the first 5 Grand Prix GP races. In addition, Bagnaia is using the latest Ducati spec. Meanwhile, Bezzecchi is using a 2022 spec bike run by VR46. 4 of the top 6 riders in the standings come from satellite teams. We've had 5 races now, we've seen everything after the French MotoGP, Miller said. I think this championship will continue like this for this year. This year is like last year using steroids again. There are so many fast bikes, everyone is very competitive. We see people 1 week struggling and the next week they get away from everyone, Miller said. So, it's hard to measure and honestly hard to understand. Obviously Pecco, Francesco Bagnaia's nickname, is one of them. He's your real competitor. The chaotic start to the season has led to some criticism from riders over the level of aggressiveness seen in the early part of the 2023 race. This is due to the difficulty riders face in overtaking modern MotoGP bikes, while Miller admits that everyone has a lot of pressure on them to perform given how close the gap between riders is. This championship is like a knife edge. Everyone is very good, all the bikes are very competitive. If a rider doesn't feel 98%, it's a bad day, it really feels like it, Miller admitted. I can't explain it. The championship is in good shape, there are some great races, Miller said. Okay, there was more contact. But that's all part of racing. Everyone has very high pressure. There's so much to take and lose. It's great to be a part of it. The comments come after Bagnaia stated that he felt the only way to calm down in MotoGP was to widen the gap that used to exist between factory riders and satellite bikes.